Callback hell or pyramid of DOM in JavaScript. Callback hell refers to a situation in JavaScript programming where multiple nested callbacks make the code hard to read, understand and maintain. This occurs when we're dealing with asynchronous operations, such as making multiple API requests or handling deeply nested callback function. For example, we take a series of asynchronous operations using setTimeout. Let's create 3 functions with callback parameter and with setTimeout function like this, and I give each setTimeout of 1 second. Then I call async function 1 and pass a callback function as an argument, and inside this I call the async function 2, with passing a callback function as an argument. Again inside this I call the async function 3 with passing a callback function as an argument. Then inside this I print, completed all operations. Then I execute one by one and finally print the completed all operations. Here this function take 1 second to complete. After complete this, then this function execute and take 1 second. Similarly this function also take 1 second. And finally this line is executed and shows the output. This is the nested callbacks, which is more difficult to maintain and understand.